Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. So, a couple of you guys asked me to show a brand that is similar to Pandora, but at a way cheaper price. So if you can't afford Pandora, or you know you're at different points in your life, this is a good option for you. And for me personally, I like Pandora, but not enough to, spend that much money. I'd rather buy Doonies. But this is a brand called Bits and Baubles. And you can kind of see the brand name there. Bits and Baubles. That's what the label looks like. And it is located at Michael's Crafts. And they have a line of fabulous charms there. And also, obviously the chains, like the wristlet chains and necklace chains, excuse me. And I picked up a few things because they were having a clearance sale. I went there about 3 weeks ago, so the sale's probably over with. But I can't remember how much I paid, but it's way less than Pandora prices. So yeah, so let's get started. I've already made one bracelet, as you can see. And yeah, sorry, I don't have a lot of beads on it yet. I'm still getting used to their bracelet chain, because I don't know if the actual chain is that much good quality, because I notice if I put like beads all the way around, sometimes it'll fall off and fall everywhere on the floor. But I'll keep close tabs on that. But for me, I'm okay with this space here. And I notice it will stay on my wrist. So this is gorgeous. I just added, there was one packet, it had, see that little daisy? Got a little daisy there with a little jewel in the middle. And then that one also came with a lipstick. That's really cute. And then I think else, and that came with a mushroom. Little mushroom there. And a little, oh my gosh, so cute. Little ladybug. I'm sorry you can't see that. Dropped a bead there. But yeah, that was ladybug. Anyways, that's that. Now one single pack came with these, and it's kind of, this one's these are all plastic except for the charm, so that is kind of a miss if you guys don't like plastic, but I like it. See, this one kind of has some purple and blue in it, and then there's some blue, and then here's some spacers. I like these because they look like kind of sterling silver, but they're not. And what else did I get? Okay, here's another one here. You can make anything out of this, in my opinion. You can make like what Charm by Carmen makes. She makes wonderful keychains, but these would be good for that. It's like imitation pearl with little rhinestones in the middle. And you got your little spacers. That one's cute. I also got, okay, this is really cute. This one here. So this is for your sweet tooth and coffee lovers. This one's like a little coffee cup, and I think it says cafe on it. And then you have your little ice cream sandwich, and then a cupcake that says, oh no, that's frozen yogurt. It says Froyo. That is really cute. And then little spacers. Like I said, this is the necklace. And it says, does it have it? It just says necklace. But you see here, it looks like you could put the beads on here, but I haven't tried it out yet, ladies. So I want to try to put a bunch on, maybe a few on here. Like not a lot, but I'll let you know how that goes. I also got, oh, here's another one. Now this is really pretty. I don't know if you could see that. These are just kind of like an iridescent one. They're good for, yeah, that is gorgeous. And I picked up some other random ones. So I got some little crosses. Those were on clearance, $1.97. A lot of these were $1.97. I don't know about the Bits and Baubles, but this is by Bead Landing is the brand. I got that. These have been on clearance forever, $1.67. You got a little nautical theme. Now these cannot fit on the bracelet. These are for pendants, which I have been making. Oh, here's another one, you guys. Got that one there. I don't know if you can see that. But it is metal with little rhinestones all the way around. So I like that. I got these too on sale. These, they're not Swarovski crystals, but they're like a step below that. They're actually really nice. You can, let's see. Yeah, you could probably make pendants out of those. Yeah, there's that. What else? What else did I get? Oh yeah, I picked up these. Now, if you guys see these in Michael's or craft store, you know you ooh and ah over these. I know I do. They're actual Swarovski crystals, and they have a flat back to them, so they're for, you know, crafts and, you know, if you're into all that bedazzling, which I want to get into, but these are so freaking expensive. So I actually picked this up on a really good sale, like a rare sale. I don't even know how much I paid for it, maybe like $3 or $4, which is actually pretty good for this. These are normally $6 or $7 or and up. Really pretty red. So I'm gonna make something with that. I got, and then also same thing. These are gorgeous. I don't know, they look kind of weird because the bottom is not the you know, like the pretty part. The bottom of this is not that color. So, but you could bedazzle something. Isn't that pretty? So I got that. Oh, and I got this on sale. They had everything on sale 3 weeks ago. This. Okay, I have seen keychains like this. It's kind of like an imitation Louis Vuitton, you know? That's great. It's a pendant. So see the little pendant at the top, but you can definitely make a keychain out of it, which I'm going to do for one of my new bags, is to make a keychain. It's got a little fake mother of pearl inlay. And so I got these. I'm inspired by Carmen to make some keychains. I'm going to try doing that soon. So here's some little things to make keychains. Got some spacers to make keychains. Those are not that exciting. Oh, is that another nautical one? Yep. Turn that around for you. There we go. Another nautical one for $1.67. So I got that. And then I think that was it. Oh, here's another one. If you want to make some keychains, or if you want it for a pendant, they have these as well. Again, not Swarovski crystal, but it's kind of like a glass. Yeah, it's a glass. So I thought those were cool. But yeah, maybe I will. Actually, no, I can't put this on. I can't do it because it's like, you know, it's hard for me to put these on for myself. But yeah, I think this is so pretty, especially a little daisy. So yeah, if you want to pay less for charms, I recommend it. Once again, it's called Bits and Baubles. It's a brand at Michael's. So yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.